How to find an external angle formed by tangents. In this problem, we have a circle and two tangents that form an external angle, and we are to find what this angle is. Step 1. The angle formed by the tangent lines is the difference of the measure of the outer arc and the inner arc divided by 2. So the formula would look like this. X would be our angle, and that's equal to the outer arc minus the inner arc divided by 2. The outer arc is ABC, and the inner arc is CDA. And the values for those arcs are given here. We simply substitute those values into the equation, and we solve for x. And our answer is 29 degrees. And this completes our problem.